Salut a tutti, hi everyone. So today's video is not a real unboxing. I know I'm gonna keep what's inside this beautiful Gucci tote bag because it's a gift, and it's one of the gifts that my significant other bought me for the 10th anniversary of our first kiss. So I chose last Thursday, and this beautiful box came Saturday right on time. I still haven't worn it though, because spoiler alert, I need to carefully remove the label, and I ordered a seam ripper for that yesterday. So I didn't wear this beautiful, stunning silk scarf for our anniversary lunch date. But anyway, oh my gosh, just feeling it in my hands, it's like a cloud. So soft, and yet it feels durable. So this is the label I need to remove. And this I can remove easily, but this I need the seam ripper. So yeah, why did I choose such a gorgeous piece? Well, as often with me, I should know by now, temptation came in an email, in a Gucci email. They were promoting their iconic scarves, and actually I had my heart set on a very light model at first, but then I thought better, and I want to buy things, luxury items, but luxury items I'm actually gonna wear and with a great cost per wear. And the shades and the pattern on this scarf, I think I'm gonna be able to rock all year round. Also, I had a very specific bag of mine in mind. When I picked the scarf, this one, look at how perfect this pairing is. This is my oldest Gucci bag. It's gonna look so good. And this is one of the ways I want to wear this scarf. So I can actually think of at least 5 ways in which I want to wear this scarf. So first, of course, as a normal scarf, it's actually quite large, but I'm looking at myself in the mirror so that I can actually check what I'm doing. This looks cute. This looks very, very cute. Oh, the colors, I'm seeing the green here. This scarf, the pattern of this scarf is everything I like. Monogram, flowers, butterflies, birds, everything I like. So the first way I'm gonna wear it, and I think I'm gonna watch tutorials because I'm not the best at figuring out how to wear scarves and everything. But yeah, as a scarf, I mean, it's spring, but even during winter, I think I could safely wear it and give this favorite of mine a well-deserved rest. I'm wearing it all the time and for every occasion. This is my scarf of choice when I travel as well. So yeah, as a scarf, number 1, as a normal scarf for every season. Number 2, I'm thinking of wearing this beauty as a headband. Again, I'll need to watch I definitely need to watch some tutorials for that. But you get the idea. As a headband, not on days I'm wearing makeup like today, this is for sure, because even though the pattern is quite dark, I don't want to ruin the scarf with makeup, but like so, more or less. I think it's gonna feel and look amazing. So number 2, headband. Number 3, over a cap. So initially I thought nothing of it. I wasn't too keen on trying, but now I have this beauty. I mean, On very windy days here, it could double as a safety net for the hat. Because mind you, this hat I lost on one of my walks and it fell, and miraculously, this is another gift, another very old gift. My significant other bought me in Paris in 2017. I lost it because of the wind. It fell on the road. I don't know how I survived getting it back. But yeah, this could double up as a safety accessory, and a very stylish one at that. About the price, I know I'm not supposed to talk about the price of a gift. This retails for $4.70, which, given the quality, is not that much. The quality and the potential, again, because you can spend very little for something, but if at the end of the day you're never gonna wear the item, it's not worth it. Number 3 over this specific cap. Number 4, as it's pretty large and gorgeous, again, I'm thinking of wearing it as a belt. Actually, it's so large that it could double up as a sarong. It's big enough to be used as a belt. And it matches everything I'm wearing today, so I don't think, no, these pants are not supposed to be worn with a belt, but still, this is gonna look awesome on a dress as well. You know, the kind of dresses I showed in my sale haul, for instance, it will look perfect. And I can't wait to remove this label because, I mean, look at how huge this is. And number 5, as I told you, so it's pretty big. I can totally see myself wearing it over this bag here, like so, or, you know, I would probably need to wrap it around the strap a little. I love this combo. I love it. These two. So I mean, I bought this bag in probably 2016, I guess. And look how the two perfectly match together. Or with another bag, actually the pattern makes it very easy to wear with a number of other bags. Look at how gorgeous. Granted, it looks better with this bag. And I think I'm gonna wear this very old bag of mine way more with this scarf. But you get the idea. I mean, this pattern is everything. And it goes with everything. You also get the chain detailing. I adore. I mean, look at the shirt I'm wearing today. I own skirts, dresses with the same print. I love it. Flowers because it's spring. But I mean, this is a pattern you can wear all year round. And yeah, the more I look at it, the more interesting details I'm finding, like the bird. I mean, the craftsmanship for this kind of pieces is just the best. So this was number 5. And I can think, as I told you, so of course, this is not gonna be my go-to way of wearing it, but I can think of wearing it as a top, as a bustier top, as a scarf top, over a skirt as well. So I was half jokingly saying that it looked like it was so large, it looked like a sarong, but on a mini skirt, why not? I'm definitely going to be looking for some serious inspiration on the internet and tutorials as well, because I'm not really skilled in styling scarves. So I could use some lessons. And it's a wrap, or should I say it's a scarf. I'm gonna link this beauty in the description box below so you can get it as well, or check the other ones. Comment down below and tell me which one is your favorite. Vi prego una buona giornata, baci e scialada vila.